everyone, and you can see I am holding a very tangled hair. And have you ever played with this hair before and your customer left you forever? Don't skip this video and you will find very interesting reason why your hair is tangled. My name is Jasmine, sales manager from K Hair Factory. In this video today, I will show you 5 reasons why your hair is tangled. Let's get started. Most styling equipment work on electric heat. Heat is applied on your hair to make necessary alteration. They considerable damage to your hair in the process. Hair becomes dry, damaged, and prone to be tangled and break. Many people have the practice of getting out the shower and rubbing the hair and scrub with the towel to dry it. This is strict no. Your hair is the most sensitive when it is wet. Although it may be tempting to use a brush because it is fresh, using a wide tooth comb or a special detangling comb for your hair is much more better idea for your hair. Not only will it remove your hair from tangle more effectively, but you will also protect your hair from tearing and break. Speaking of sleeping, do you know that hair can also get tangled while you sleep? This is due to the friction of your hair against the pillow when you toss and turn. You always attend social activities in the sun and your hair is hair extension. Is it not humid enough? When you comb your hair, which is in bad condition, which make your hair tangled and damaged. That's your all for today. I hope this video is informative for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the video about the solution. Thanks for watching.